feel like your sleep isn't quite as rejuvenating as you hope it would be? Like maybe you spend enough hours in bed, but you just aren't really refreshed when you get up in the morning. It might be that you're missing out on the right amount of deep sleep. And if you don't know exactly how to get more deep sleep, I got a couple tips for you because this is a big deal. This is one that eludes me often. So I'm especially interested in deep sleep. Number one for deep, caffeine. Oh, I love caffeine. You might like caffeine too, but we have to keep it down. 1, 2 cups of coffee early in the day, it stays in your system a really long time. So cut it out 12 hours. Maybe you're going to push it 10 hours ahead of the time that you want to be asleep. That's going to be the smartest thing to do. Number 2, light. Light in your bedroom. Now, we already know, I'm sure you know, keep screens dark. Don't look at screens an hour before bed. Don't watch TV. Don't take your phone to bed and look at your screen. But how about at night when the light is all out and you're asleep? Is there light in your room? A little bit of light makes a difference. Even light just on the crack around your window. If you have darkening shades, but yet light's coming in, that's enough. You got to put a mask on to keep all the light out, unless all the light is already out. But it only takes a little bit of light to disturb your deep sleep. And third, and this is a hard one, reducing anxiety. Oh boy, how do we do that? Well, any way you can. That's a big question. But maybe if you want to take up meditation, talk to friends, journal, go to therapy, I don't know. But anxiety is a huge influence on deep sleep, more so than REM, more so than light. It really seems to attack deep sleep. Enough bad. How about good? What do you want to add? Temperature regulation. You've heard of this, right? You want to take warm right before bed. So hot bath, hot shower, in a hot tub if you have one, sauna. Heat up to cool down because you have to stay cool during the night. And the natural phase of your body, naturally what we are evolved to do is have the day ending. So we're cooling down. We're warm and then we cool down to go to sleep. And then while you're in bed, you are staying cool, just like it's cool outside at night usually. Out in the wild camping, it's cool at night. Finally, aerobic exercise. Exercise in general, but might be aerobic is better. Add exercise. That's going to kick in some deep sleep. So there you go. Simple tips. See you soon.